Hello everybody. At first I would like to thank the editor of the DMCN to invite me for an editorial and to point out some issues in this podcast. Just a few weeks before the joint meeting of the EACD and IAACD, I would like to point out some aspects of this editorial. We reflect in our editorial the important role of the Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. Especially after World War II, there have been many efforts to improve inclusion and particularly participation of people with lived experience in our societies. By our own experiences, visiting and interviewing these people and professionals in their countries, in 5 continents, I would say there are challenges influenced by the economic background of such countries, like access to assistive devices or rehabilitation technology or free access to public transport. But there are also challenges that have to do with our attitudes and minds, our prejudice and feelings when we approach and network with people with disabilities. It is great that awareness in research has improved during recent years, that people with lived experience may contribute and even guide research. But it all starts with networks. Networking between different disciplines have become a trademark of the European and more recently the International Alliance of Academies of Childhood Onset Disabilities. More and more networking between professionals and people with lived experience becomes essential. This networking helps us to guide research and education towards issues which are really relevant for everyday life, for people with lived experiences. Therefore, for our Congress meeting in Heidelberg, we have been giving us the motto, Developing Networks, Networks for Development. In this sense, we hope to bring together professionals with persons with lived experiences and Europe with worldwide activities. Thanks very much.